Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to use Content Planner on Canva. So not only does Canva allow users to create numerous social media content quite easily, but they have also come up with a new feature that allows us to schedule when we would like to release our different social media content to different social media platforms. The first thing you want to do is go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to see Content Planner. By the way, quick disclaimer, while majority of Canva plans are completely free, or better yet, their features are completely free, to use the Content Planner feature, you'll need to be a paid subscriber, so you'll need to be on the Pro plan. But don't worry, if anything, you can tap on your profile name and you can give the Pro plan a free trial, so you can try it for up to 30 days. So once you have tapped on Content Planner, you will be redirected to this page. And from here, all you'll need to do is simply scroll down to the date that you would like to select. So let's say, for example, I would like to post something on the 9th of March. I'll simply tap on the plus. After you have selected the plus, you will see the different content that you have recently created on Canva. And you can simply tap on the one that you would like to use. For example, this one right here. After you have selected it, you are going to tap on select a channel, as you can see right here. Then you can select your Instagram business or your Facebook page or Pinterest. All you'll need to do is simply tap on the social media platform. Then you'll simply tap on Connect Pinterest. So you could tap on that real quick. Then you'll be prompted to sign in. Once you're signed in, let me do that real quick. Once you're signed in, you'll simply go back, and from here you can select the pages that you like to post, and you can also add a caption. After you have added a caption, you are going to tap on schedule, and that's it. So the post will be released on that date that you have scheduled, and the post will also have a caption. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.